Sakina Shafi Bhatt, who contested on a BJP ticket, who made the headlines. Sometimes some would say for all the wrong reasons and sometimes for the right reasons as well. She's here joining us, bright and colourful. But the colours of today really are when saffron meets green, and some would say those are the colours of the Indian flag, and of course green being the colour of the PDP, saffron being the colour identified with the BJP, and coming together as the colours of India.
Colour of peace and good governance and a stable government. I believe both the parties with two different ideological thoughts and everything, and finally we have come to a point that we need a good governance.
It's so interesting you say stable government, because a lot of the skeptics are waiting to see what will be in the common minimum program. But we do know that Mufti Saab insisted that the present constitutional status of Jammu and Kashmir continue unchanged, that there should be no change in 370, and the BJP has accepted that. Now for you, who said I'll pick up the gun if they change 370, you must be happy that your party has made this concession.
Yeah, definitely. I think every Kashmiri should be happy. And definitely Mufti Saab is a stalwart politician, and he's been a home minister. So definitely whatever the deal, I would say not the deal would be the appropriate word. That's why it took such a long time for both the parties. And this is the day finally we have come.
But you know, isn't it a risk for the BJP? You're with the BJP. The BJP's core supporters will say in the manifesto you promised us you'll scrap 370. Now you've agreed to maintain status quo on it. Isn't this politically risky for both parties? And since you're from the BJP, isn't it politically risky that you'll alienate your core constituency?
No, definitely not. Not risky at all. Where we are going to benefit people. Because Kashmir has already suffered, and 3 months after the election and after election results, people have been waiting. So they want a government formation there. They want the normal administration to go on. So I think both the parties have really worked from our party and from the PDP. And I think it will work, definitely.
BJP couldn't open its account in the valley, despite high-profile campaigns by people like you. Are you worried about Jammu versus Kashmir divide, where the PDP captured the valley and BJP captured Jammu?
No. I don't think so, because both the parties have really talked on that, or there'll be no polarization on Jammu and Srinagar. And PDP people, they're also sensible, as BJP people are sensible.
Suddenly you're calling each other sensible after calling each other names in the campaign.
Definitely. See,
so wo jo sab bola, wo aise hi bola.
In politics, there are no permanent enemies. And
no permanent friends either.
No, definitely. But where we're going to benefit people, where there'll be a good for the people. So we have to.
But tell me, on Armed Forces Special Powers Act also, the BJP may have had to make a concession from its position. You, of course, as a Kashmiri leader of the BJP, will want the act to be revoked or withdrawn.
Not revoked properly, completely. To some places where there is not needed. And it has been already in a discussion that army will be taken into the consideration for this decision. And with time, let the government form. So things will be really worked on, all these issues.
अच्छा, आज का दिन क्या अहमियत रखता है? Because it is so unexpected, so unlikely. कुछ common नहीं. मुफ्ती साहब ने बोला North Pole, South Pole को इकट्ठा लाए हैं. What is the significance?
We believe 2 negatives makes 1 positive.
Or opposites attract?
Attract. So this is and it is going to be a historic change for Jammu and Kashmir.
Last question to those who criticize you people for saying the campaign में कुछ बोला, अभी कुछ बोला, and that this is not statesmanship, this is just surrender for power. ये आपने power की कब्जे के लिए किया है. What would you say?
For BJP, if you see, like, it's quite evident कि क्या power share अगर ये लोग बोलते हैं.
You made a lot of concessions. The CM-ship is with the PDP, the finance ministry is with the PDP, home is with the PDP.
So we are not power hungry. So we just want like a stable government Jammu and Kashmir mein ho.
And what are you going to be taking the oath? What role are you going to be playing?
I'll be as a sipahi of a BJP, so I'll continue that.
And you'll remain with the BJP?
I'll definitely. I am with BJP.
And what message do you think Mr. Modi is bringing today to the state?
Let's keep all these factors कि BJP में बाकी लोग क्या कहते हैं. I've always been adamant that उनका जो मोदी जी का जो vision है for Kashmir, and that has really worked. That's why we're forming a government in Jammu and Kashmir.
And you think the valley will be ready to accept him politically?
People have already accepted it. They've already given.
But you didn't win in the valley.
See, we had very little time. In just 1 month, we just started with our campaign, and it was quite difficult, from the first day to start.
But you'll keep trying to open your account in the valley.
Definitely. We have already opened. We're making a government in Jammu and Kashmir, Barkha.
I know. It is a historic day.
Historic.
Congratulations to you, Hina. Thank you so much.